Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My dear villagers and my sister and brother, now I read a line of Quran Majid in front of you in this line. Allah told his dear Huzur sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that, oh my dear Huzur sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, men who believe in me come bless you. Then say him assalamu alaikum. But in this line you made a way for give knowledge to your believer. When one Muslim meet two Muslim brother, then they should say assalamu alaikum in advice to each other. Then I want to end this speech. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh.
Masha